This is your feeder and stocker report for Tuesday, August 4th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction markets throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. Across Alberta on Friday, steers 900 pounds plus, 452 to 474, 8 to 9, 495 to 537, 7 to 8, 545 to 560, 6 to 7, 565 to 585. Heifers 900 pounds plus, 418 to 429, 8 to 9, 455 to 485, 7 to 8, 490 to 517, 6 to 7, 520 to 535. Alberta direct cattle sales last week saw light trade develop with weighted steer and heifer prices closing the week in the low 320s, $7 lower than last week. Fed cattle prices are at the lowest point since late March. Last week, butcher cows traded steady to $1 higher through commercial auction facilities. Bigger cow carcass weights are having a significant impact on production. Year-to-date cow slaughter is 5% lower than last year, yet with bigger carcass weights, non-fed production is slightly larger than last year. Butcher cow prices traditionally see a little bit of an uptick during the first half of August. A small rally is possible, but second half of the year price highs are likely in the books. Last week, steer and heifer rail 530.31 to 539.25 FOB the feed lot. In the cow trade in central Alberta on Friday, D1, D2 cows 244 to 261, D3 cows 229 to 240. Bulls in central Alberta on Friday brought 273 to 310. One load of grain-fed cows in central Alberta traded at 242. In the U.S., trade was scattered over the course of the week, and a stronger price tone was noted as the week progressed. Dress sales in Iowa and Nebraska ranged from 360 to 370, mostly steady with the previous week. Live sales in all major feeding states were from 228 to 232, steady with the previous week. Fed prices have just recently moved below year-ago levels. The Douglas, Arizona port that is scheduled to reopen August 24th historically handles 15% of imports. National boner cows averaged 338.70 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 71.26, down 6 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. August 230.82, down 27. October 226.55, down 17. December 226.12, down 10. This is Megan Connors with CanFax reporting for the Alberta Beef Producers.